Today's topic is components of CPU. The function of a CPU is performed by various hardware components present inside it. The hardware components of a CPU can be broadly divided into memory and storage devices, motherboard, processor, power controller, ports, cards, etc. A central processing unit, also called a central processor or main processor, is the electronic circuitry with a computer that executes instructions that make up a computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic logic, controlling and input output operations specified by the instructions in the program. The central processing unit of a computer is a piece of hardware that carries out the instructions of a computer program. It performs the basic arithmetical logical input or output operation of a computer system. Memory and storage devices. Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily, like RAM, or permanently, like ROM. Storage devices are any type of hardware that is capable of storing and retrieving data. There are two main categories of storage devices. Primary storage, such as RAM, is used by computer system to temporarily store and retrieve data. Secondary storage devices, such as hard drives, stores data permanently. Memory in the context to a computer system refers to the location of storage of information. The CPU stores the data in the memory storage device that can be used or retrieved whenever required. Memory receives instruction and data from the input devices and stores them till they are needed by other parts of the computer. Memory can be classified into two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is computer memory that is accessed directly by the CPU. This includes several types of memory, such as processor cache and system ROM, RAM, or random access memory. Primary memory is also known as main memory. It is the part of the CPU which stores the data and instruction that are meant for current processing or for internal management of the computer. It has a limited capacity for storage of data. Secondary memory is where programs and data are kept on a long-term basis. Common secondary storage devices are the hard disk and optical disks. The hard disk has enormous storage capacity compared to main memory. The hard disk is usually contained inside the case of a computer. Random access memory is the memory or information storage in a computer that is used to store running programs and data for the programs. Data in the RAM can be read and written quickly in any order. Normally, the random access memory is in the form of computer chips. It holds the information temporarily during the ongoing operation of a computer. RAM is a volatile memory, that is, when a computer is switched off or the power supply is interrupted, all the stored information in it get disappeared or lost. RAM chip is made of metal oxide semiconductor. RAM is available in the form of chip of different capacity: 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, etc. You can upgrade the capacity of existing RAM in a computer by installing extra RAM chips in addition to the existing ones. There are different types of RAM like SRAM, DRAM, STRAM, EDRAM, ECRAM, etc. ROM, short for read only memory. ROM is a storage medium that is used with computers and other electronic devices. As the name indicates, data stored in ROM may only be read. Unlike RAM, ROM is non volatile, which means it keeps its content regardless of whether or not it has power. It stores a set of predefined instructions for the internal operation of a computer. It is also referred as non-volatile memory or firmware. FIRMWARE, firmware. Once the user switched on the computer automatically does a series of sequential tasks known as POST, power on self test, before the user starts its operation. There are different types of ROM like PROM, EEPROM, double EEPROM, flash ROM. BIOS. Computing stand for Basic Input Output System. The BIOS is a computer program embedded on a chip on a computer's motherboard that recognizes and controls various devices that make up the computer. It brings life to the computer. Cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that acts as a buffer between RAM and the CPU. It holds frequently requested data and instruction so that they are immediately available to the CPU when needed. Cache memory is used to reduce the average time to access data from the main memory. Cache memory is a part of CPU and used when there is swapping of information between the primary memory and the ALU. Units of storage. In computer, the most common unit of storage in computer is called a byte, which is equal to 8 bits. A computer memory is made up of millions of bytes. All data and information fed into a computer as well as the program that comes preloaded are stored in the form of bytes. A computer understands its own language. All the data and information that are fed into a computer are converted into its own language. Its language consists of two digits, that is 0 and 1, which are called binary digits. Each digit, that is 0 or 1, is known as a bit. The smallest unit of data in a computer is called bit. A bit has a single binary value, either 0 or 1. In most computer systems, there are 8 bits in a byte. In computer and digital technology, a nibble is 4 binary digits or half of an 8-bit byte. Different units of storage of data are 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte, 1024 PB is equal to 1 exabyte, 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 ZB is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 YB is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is where programs and data are kept on a long-term basis. Common secondary storage devices are the hard disk and optical disk. The hard disk has enormous storage capacity compared to main memory. The hard disk is usually contained inside the case of a computer. Secondary memory refers to a permanent storage of data during the operation of computer. It is also known as backup memory. It has higher storage capacity than the primary storage memory. There are various types of secondary storage devices. A magnetic disk is a storage device that uses a magnetization process to write, rewrite, and access data. It is covered with a magnetic coating and stores data in the form of tracks, spots, and sectors. Hard disk, zip disk, and floppy disk are common examples of magnetic disk. A hard disk drive is a non-volatile computer storage device containing magnetic disk or platters rotating at high speeds. It is a secondary storage device used to store data permanently, random access memory being the primary memory device. Hard disk, it is the most widely used internal storage magnetic disk. Hard disk is also known as Winchester disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be written to and read from using a low powered laser beam. Optical disk is commonly used as external storage devices in which the laser beam helps to read data from the flat surface of the optical disk. CD stands for compact disc. CD are circular discs that are 4.75 inches 12 or 12 centimeter in diameter. The CD standard was proposed by Sony and Philips in 1980 and the technology was introduced to the US market in 1983. The data on a CD is stored as small notches on the disk and is read by a laser from an optical drive. Compact disc is common optical disc. It is made up of lightweight plastic material which with a chemical coating on one side where data is stored. It is inserted into CD or DVD drive or CD or DVD writer of a CPU. DVD, short for digital versatile disc or digital video disc. A DVD or DVD-ROM is a disc capable of storing a significant amount more data than a standard compact disc. DVD are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. DVD is an optical disc which looks like a CD but has a capacity to store data up to 17.1 GB. DVD is the merging of video and audio in a common format. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc format designed to display high definition video and store large amount of data. Blu-rays is the successor to DVD. The standard was developed collaboratively by Hitachi, LG, Panasonic, Pioneer, Philips, Samsung, Sharp, Sony and Thomson. Blu-ray disc can store data of up to 128 GB. It has been developed by the Blu-ray Disc Association BDA. It is much advanced than CD or DVD. Blue violet laser is used to read or write data in the Blu-ray disc. Flash memory is a non-volatile memory chip used for storage and for transferring data between a personal computer and digital devices. It has the ability to the electronically reprogrammed and erase. It is often found in USB flash drives, MP3 players, digital cameras and solid state drives. Flash memory is a small-sized external storage device that is commonly used in digital camera, mobile phone, MP3 player, etc. It can be plugged through USB or FireWire port of a computer to fetch or transfer data to computer. A USB flash drive. It is also known as USB stick, USB thumb drive or pen drive. It is plug and play portable storage device that uses flash memory and is lightweight enough to attach to a keychain. A USB flash drive can be used in place of a compact disc. It is small in size, handy, and is a detachable device from which data can be read, copied, or transferred from one system to another. It is rewritable and weight less than 25 gram. Nowadays, pen drive are the most commonly used external storage and data transferring device. It has an attachment slot which can be easily inserted or attached into the computer USB Universal Serial Bus port. Motherboard. The motherboard serves as a central circuit hub that connects all the peripherals and components of a computer. It also regulates the power received by the hard drive, graphics card, CPU, and system memory from the power supply. The motherboard contains the connectors for attaching additional boards such as the CPU, BIOS, memory, mass storage interfaces, serial and parallel ports, expansion slots, and all the controllers that are required to control standard peripheral devices such as the display screen, keyboard, and hard drive. Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that lies inside the CPU to which all the hardware are connected. It is the form of a large multi-layered printed circuit which contains connectors for attaching additional devices. SMPS, Switched Mode Power Supply. SMPS is a power supply that uses a switching regulator to control and stabilize the output voltage by switching the load current on and off. These power supplies offer a greater power conversion and reduce the overall power loss. SMPS is an electric regulator components that receive electricity from the main power supply and then supplies appropriate power to other components of the computer. It takes the required amount of electricity from mains or UPS and converts the AC current into DC current with required voltage. Processor. A processor is an integrated electronic circuit that performs the calculation that run a computer. A processor performs arithmetic, logical input or output, and other basic instructions that are passed from an operating system. Most other processes and dependent on the operation of a processor. It is the most important component of a computer system. It does all calculation and comparisons in a rapid speed. Some version of processor are Pentium series, dual core, Core 2 Duo, Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, AMD X series, etc.